Welcome back. Social Welfare Association of Santa Cruz had organized a special event on Gandhi Jayanti. They served food to needy and felicitated meritorious students. Deputy CM was present for the function organized by the former Congress MLA Victoria Fernandez.
Time to time festivals जावपा जाय. गोंयचे वस्तू विसरल्यात, गोंयची संस्कृती विसरल्या, गोंयचो कल्चर विसरल्या, गोंयची ट्रेडिशनां विसरल्यात. ती पोत्तून हाडपा जाय.
मिनिस्टर्स आयले थोडे मागीर बरे मागपी आसा न्ही सांगलें अशें अशें आहा ते बरें रोखडेच आयले एका उतरान येवन हांगा सभय नासता म्हणल्यार हे कार्यक्रम हो गांधी जयंती दिसा हो सारको योग्य कार्यक्रम गरिबांक अशें सर्व करपाक एकवट करपाक गांवचो भुरग्यांचो जाणट्यांचो
आनी त्या दिसा आमकां गरिबांक जाता तितले भाशेन आमकां हेल्प करपाचें आहा आनी आमी एवरी इयर लोकांक जाणट्यांक केन्ना आमी फंक्शनां ऑर्गनायज करता एक पाड आमी मेडिकल कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करता तशेंच आमी आमचे गोंयचे जें ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन आहा आमचे गोंयचे आदले जेवण जी सांबराची कडी आनी जे असले तें ट्रेडिशन आमकां आदले राखपाचें आहा.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wants quick resolution of the seemingly never-ending crisis in Goan basketball. According to our sources, Parrikar has outlined multiple solutions to put basketball on the right track. One of the options is to unite the BFI-supported Goa Basketball Association and GOA-backed Association for Goan basketball.
The state basketball championship may be in progress, but the crisis dogging the Goan basketball is far from over. Goa Basketball Association is running the show with the support from parent federation, the Basketball Federation of India. However, Goa Olympic Association has not yet backed the GBA because of its defunct nature from CF Vad's regime. Secretary General Gurudatta Bhakta claims he will keep on trying to resolve the crisis and wants the GBA headed by Father Ralin D'Souza and AGB under Dinesh Sinari to sit and work out an amicable situation. However, an effort to bring them face to face has failed so far. During the recent SAG AGM under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, the problems in basketball were discussed. Some solutions have also been suggested to bring the matter to logical conclusion, as key administrators in both the factions are from his Panji constituency. While the association slug it out, the players are being caught in the crossfire. The bunch of boys and girls training in the pre-Lusophonia camp is said to be confused. While they are the future of Goan basketball, the association office bearers should think about the players rather than holding on to their personal gains. While a protest earlier this year slammed the past regime for running the sport as their personal property, the current administrators should take a look at themselves now. Aren't they doing a similar thing? Bureau Report, Prudent.
Youngsters need to cultivate the quality of fearlessness in order to become strong human beings. So what better than starting to take on the challenges right from the school days? Bharat Scout and Guides Mormugaon conducted its 8th edition of rafting adventure activity at Wade Lake in Vasco on Thursday.
Around 500 students of Scouts and Guides from different schools in Mormugaon, Tiswadi and Bardes enjoyed themselves while rafting in Wadem Lake. Scouts trained in knots and lashings made the rafts out of bamboo and plastic bottles. Rafting in the lake provides a thrilling experience and also helps eliminate the fear of water.
It is in fact done every year in this Wadem Lake. But the problem I face since morning is that when I dip my hand in the water, it was smelling. I don't know whether it is safe for the students and the scout and guide. And I think the local councillor should take care of it, that it is clean every year so that it is more hygiene for the people.
This activity has been brought over here in order that the scouts and guides overcome their fear of water, number one. Secondly, scouts are trained in the art of knots and lashings. These knots and lashings, they are putting it to use to prepare the raft, which has been prepared of bamboos, as well as PET bottles which are been thrown away.
A reporter from Vasco, Dishant Param.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.